Because she was like whipping it around. She was like, oh. Are you tired? What is that? Oh, that's a
Downward dog.
three-legged warrior or something.
Yoga pose.
Fish. Yeah, it is a fish. Fish's eyes. 眼睛. 眼睛.
She's learning
Some bits of Mandarin. Ojos. I'm not supposed to mix it up, but oh, look, it wrapped around your arm. How neat is that? She's like learning physics. Oh, wrapped around your hand. What does that mean? You're fascinated by that thing, huh? Can't figure